今日はビクトリアに日帰り旅行に行ってこようと思います。今から飛行機乗り込みます。はい、ビクトリアに着きました。後ろにフェアモントエンプレスが見えてます。すごいですね。最高の天気です。今からゾディアックモードに乗って出港です。
All of this seaweed that's around us, we're going to come back and explore some of these islands. This is all kelp, kombu. Kombu, all of the seaweed. I say kombu for you guys from Germany. In Japan, they eat this a lot. And we'll maybe try some after. But just thought I'd let you know where we are, where we're going. We have Mount Baker in front of us. That's in northern Washington State. And way over to our right, we can see it clearly today. This is Mount Rainier.
Do the orcas really go and grab them?
So in this part of the world, they don't go on the land and grab them. This is something that's on television often. It happens in one place in Argentina. It's a Patagonian pod of orcas, the parents teaching the children. Here, there's a lot of barnacles and sharp rocks and things. Orcas have fragile skin. But these seals, they're so nervous. If an orca swims past here, he hits his tail on the water, all these seals panic, jump in the water. If they just stay on the rock, they would be okay. But they don't. They all jump in the water. And of course, that's easy for the orca.
Is it deep enough?
Oh, sure. Yeah, there's plenty of water. Now, orca don't come in this area very often. There's lots of seals and things out in the open, but along the shorelines, they do come. I've seen only one time in my life them in this passage. Not so often. flies may still stay in this resting pattern for the rest of the afternoon, or they could start to spread out and go hunting. But this has been great views for us to be able to see them all together. That's not very often, and so many. That's pretty cool too. So often they're so spread out, you don't get an opportunity to see them all together like this. So this is a great sighting